You just listened to the story Yeh-Shen from our close reader, and we talked a little bit about looking at shades of meaning. So today for your activity, you're going to go in and look at a couple of other words. I've given you the paragraph so you know where to find them in case you want to use some clues around them to help you come up with other words and to see if you can replace that word in that paragraph with the similar words you come up with if it still makes sense. So I gave you the example of mean, which could also mean wicked or evil or nasty. And there's different shades of what those words mean, but they all essentially mean, right? Evil now probably would be the harshest of the four words, and probably I would say mean is more of the calmer of the four words, but they all essentially mean the same thing. So what I want you to do is go in and find the word great and come up with a couple of similar words for great that the author could have used instead, and same thing for beautiful. Come up with a couple of other words that she could have used instead. And then you're going to go down to the major events and character response activity. And we looked at some major events, we underlined them. One was in paragraph 3. It was about the old man telling Yeh-Shen that the goldfish's bones were powerful. And you're going to record what the response is. So I did this first one for you. The response is that she keeps the bones. What does that tell us about her character? It tells us that she's trusting, right? That she trusts other people. The next one I started for you, it says, it is time for the festival, but Yeh-Shen has nothing to wear. What is her response? She asked the bones for help. I want you to fill in what that tells us about Yeh-Shen. Same thing for paragraph 6 and 9. You're going to tell me what Yeh-Shen's response was to that event in paragraph 6 and what that tells us about her as a character. And then in paragraph 9, you're going to tell us the response of the king and what that tells us about his character. So go ahead and go into schoolwork and complete this activity.